Hi and welcome to another Boomwebster Technology explanatory video. Today we're going to be looking at the importance of keeping your software up to date, as well as going over a quick announcement that I have pertaining to the channel right after we roll out our short video intro segment. Okay, so let's get started with our announcement that we have pertaining to the channel. We are getting really close to the 50 video point for this channel, and I want to thank everyone for their support and engagement towards the channel and the videos which we make. Unfortunately, we are getting to hitting the point where we're going to deploy a content block or content break into our video production time schedule. As many of you might have already noticed, there's a new calendar feature which is added to our community forum, boomweb.boards.net, and that happened a few weeks ago. On the main navigation tabs of our community forum website, you can click calendar to view our video production calendar. We make announcements on there pertaining to new uploads as well as changes that might be taking place to the channel, so that's a really good place to look if you want to see things of that nature. As of now, there is going to be 2 more weekly videos that's going to be posted for the next 2 weeks. So right now this is one of the last 3 videos. So after this week there's going to be 2 more weeks, so 2 more videos left and 2 more weeks before the content block / break gets hit. There will be more weeks where we have weekly videos available, although I can't say exactly when we're going to be back and posting on a regular basis like every Sunday, which I have been trying to stick to over the last couple of months. I'm really sorry to say it, as this is one of the first breaks that we took on the channel, as in fact this is the only long-term or any time break that we've taken in this channel. Like, ever since our first actual technology content upload, we've pretty much been posting once a week every Sunday until that point. Although because now our time resources are being limited, we can't continue to operate making videos on a consistent time schedule at the moment. My suggestion would be to subscribe if you haven't done so already to the channel, and turn your bell notifications on, since it's going to let you know if we post more videos in the future and make any updates to our channel and things of that nature. We are going to be continuing with making videos right after this block / break is over, and when we're going to have more time resources available to continue making great content. Thank you again for your support. Now let's get into the actual content for this video. Why software updates are important. Software is usually developed by a team of engineers who plan out and create a piece of computer software. Most of the times there will be some time allocated for patching software security flaws and bugs, although some of them still may exist and may be unknown. So if that case is true, then a new revision or update will be applied against the bug or security flaw to hopefully patch the issue once it's recognized by the team of developers. Automatic updates is now common with many modern programs, although there is still the need for some software pieces to be updated manually. Updating your software may be a hassle, as many people I've seen on other videos and forums and things on the internet have been mentioning, especially with Windows and some issues that they've been having with updating. Updates can sometimes be a hassle, and sometimes we may not have time for them immediately, although in general updating is a good idea, since if it's security related especially, you do want to install it to protect your computer system / systems. A few downsides of updates in general and feature updates versus security updates. Oftentimes security updates and feature updates are both implemented within new software updates or revisions when they are pushed. Software feature updates and security updates can still be different, and if you can choose the order to install them in, then I'm going to suggest that you put priority into installing the security patch first, since the feature updates usually are consistent of animation packs, updated graphics, added functionality, etc., although are more likely to cause issues in running when they're in the beta stage. This is why many IT departments will wait after the beta launches have become official before they apply the updates, in order to prevent some of the issues and potential downtime with beta launches, because they're basically in testing stage. Not being functional or affecting how you can use the computer overall are some of the downsides that can happen if you install a beta launch and encounter some problems with it in general. Especially when we're talking about the operating system, that's when it really starts to affect your computer in general, because the operating system is how you interact with the applications. So in the past with Windows 10, there was some issue in an update that some users reported that their data was deleted by the update. So by then many people were able to pause it. So then again, it does go to show that you may want to consider looking at the updates you're installing just to prevent any issues. Although if you want to be a beta tester with all the new software, you can go ahead at your own risk, although I'm just going to suggest that the security updates do get priority for protecting your computer. Possible damage risk with not updating software. Many times attackers will use holes in code which allow them to exploit a vulnerability, giving them access to data inputted into the program or in general by clients, access to other computers within the network, or even spreading itself to different networks and attacking computers there. In the past, exploiters have been able to send users text documents via email that took over their computer when they opened it without them even knowing, if they choose to open the file. Now attacks are getting much more advanced technologically, from Trojan horse software attacks to web pages with embedded malicious code. We need to take a step in front of the hackers by not opening suspicious emails and files, keeping our OS and programs up to date, using good antivirus, preferably with real-time protection, etc., in order to keep our computer systems safe and not at risk. Here's a few more pluses to keeping your software up to date. You can save disk space when outdated features and code lines are removed in updates, or if the code is optimized. Improved stability and less crashes. More compatibility with other programs on your system. That goes back to stability to some extent. You have more features possibly in order to help with the efficiency when you're using the program. And another note to keep in mind is that outdated software revisions may not retain their support, and if you're running some outdated software revisions and you want support for it, that may not be available. especially with troubleshooting that can come in helpful in sometimes. Now it's summary time. Overall, it's a good idea to keep your software up to date, even though many find it a hassle. Beta software may contain more features, although you risk there being some bugs in the code. For more critical usage cases, just wait until the software update has become officially launched. And in general, keeping out-of-date applications and operating systems opens your computer system up to hackers that may choose to take advantage and infect your computer and even spread that malicious code to other computers and different networks. Take a few seconds now, like put this video on pause and then go back to it in order to check that your operating systems and applications and antivirus programs are up to date, as that will help keep the hackers away from causing damage to digital data and our computers, or at least it will help with minimizing your risk. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. This video was generally towards computer security. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, Prince's Boom Web Search, if you have not done so already, and have your bell notifications turned on in order to prevent missing any of our future content uploads. Note that the bell icon only appears to the right of the subscribe button after you select the subscribe button beforehand. If you have any future video suggestions or any subjects of computer software, computer hardware, technology topics, explain how technology works, so basically anything tech related, please let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next content upload. Bye!